So good morning, everyone. This is for the class, The Contemporary World. We are now on to the after the midterms, no? So it's been such a long time since we have done our classes, no? So because of the increasing heat index of our province, we are now forced to conduct classes asynchronously. So the topic would be under a world of ideas, lesson one, global media cultures. No. So at the end of this chapter, students will be able, that's analyze how various media drive various forms of global integration. And number two, to explain the dynamics between the local and global culture production. No? So much for that. For the lesson itself, lesson one, global media culture. Globalization is characterized as an arrangement of various and even and some of the time covering variable procedures. No? These procedures include the financial aspects, the governmental issues, the culture that advanced along the media innovation to make the conditions under which the globe could be perceived as an envisioned network. No? Media is the plural frame of medium, a medium for passing on something, especially in a channel of correspondence. No? The plural shape media just came into a general flow in the 1920s, then later ended up a broad communication as individuals were conveying their life through books, radio, and film. Hence, the media has become essential to globalization. So it is cited that this study that the media have the important impact to the culture globalization in two mutually interdependent ways. First is the media provides an extensive transnational transmission of culture, products, and secondly, they contribute to the formation of communicative networks and social structures. Nga naman, why? First one is media provides an extensive transnational transmission because if you were to observe, di ba? We are now seeing media, a form of media, telenovela, mapa Facebook, Instagram, and other forms of media. If you can see it, media coming from Korea, coming from the United States, coming from different various countries around the globe, and then you will see it, here in the Philippines, di ba? Makakita ta karon. You are seeing the styles, the mannerisms, the norms, the culture that is being recorded on media, di ba? Kung unsay gi-post sa US sa ilang Instagram, Facebook that is posted online to the movies, to the films and movies, na YouTube channel, bisag unsa nga Netflix, if you can observe that we are now adapting to the transmission of transnational cultural products, di ba? Dili ra gid na siya as to products, as to the culture, no? So we are now, if you can see something that is good on them, we try to mimic, we try to adapt because we can see that there is something positive that we are now relatable. We can now adapt. We can now somehow do the mimicking, na may good practices. Why can't we adapt it, di ba? So the second one would be uh, it is to contribute the formation of community networks and social structures because cumulative networks would be the exchange of ideas, no? If someone posted online sa Facebook or Instagram from the United States and we are able to comment, no? And then there's go another response to the your comment, no? That is being done online. If we are to comment a YouTube video, YouTube channel, and then others would also agree or disagree, and then there'll be some agreeing and disagreeing that is coming up online, no? That is a cumulative network and social structure of which it is either you can agree or disagree, no? Moving forward, the rapidly growing supply of media products from an international media culture presents a challenge to existing local and national cultures. Why? Nganong mahimo man siyang challenge? Because if we are onto the local, no? If we are onto the local only, no? But way back before, we are used to this kanang setup lang nga kanang not so favorable for us, not so Instagrammable. But if other medias are being shown locally, we are or you are challenging the local artists and media networks also, no? So sa una, okay ra nga mag-shooting or mag-film sa kanang normal lang diri sa Philippines nga setup, 'di ba? While mas mudaghan ang imong views wherein you can show different backgrounds, no? Sceneries across the globe nga somehow Instagrammable, no? So it is a good practice also that we can also enjoy, no? The other kuan siya, flavors online. Okay. So moving forward to that, to the total volume of supply as well as the vast technological infrastructure and financial capital that pushes this supply forward, no? Have considerably an impact to local patterns of culture, consumption, and possibilities for sustaining an independent cultural production. So if you can say, for example, way back then, the media culture that we enjoy is just the local, and those media culture or production coming from Mexico, di ba? If you can remember katong Maria Mercedes, no, the ones that are being shown for the kids, no, in ABS-CBN kanang sa buntag bitaw nga time slot, we are uh, enjoying films, animation films na series, no, katong SEDI, we have the katong um mga Peter Pan, no, coming from the outside the country. Back then they were just the sole kanang consumption of the Filipino media. Whereas now you can see na a vast difference and various flavors available online. You have Netflix, HBO, no? Not only for the television networks that are shown analog, we have now digital shows and channels across the internet, no? So in different platforms and nuances, 'di ba? Kaya may Netflix, 'di ba? Atong Chill and Flix, 'di ba? We have also Viva Max, 'di ba? That is very common nowadays, no? So naman tay different what you call this? Different cravings and flavors to enjoy online, 'di ba? So moving forward, we have a considerable impact on local partners of cultural consumption and possibilities for sustaining an independent cultural production. If you can also remember some of the local productions that we are making locally are now being also patented or somehow consumed by the neighboring countries. For example, Eat Bulaga. Eat Bulaga was franchised in Malaysia and Thailand, I guess, because they find it very appealing. No, they can relate it. They can adapt to the setup production of Itbulaga in those countries. No, so worldwide media societies create a consistent social trade in which social aspects, for example, character, nationality, religion, behavior standards, and lifestyle are constantly addressed and attested. No? These social experiences frequently include the gathering of societies with an alternative socioeconomic base, normally a transnational and business social industry on one side and a national, no, openly managed to the social industry of the opposite side. For examples, we have now Britain's Got Talent, no? It is adapted on the Philippines. We have Filipinas Got Talent, no? Like that, no? We have also America's Got Talent and any other kanang mga talent programs available to be franchised, no? So daghan kay na siya nga mga entertainment portals and programs that we can now enjoy and we can now also consume, no? If we are to consume Britain's Got Talent or America's Got Talent, we are consuming it online. Though we are not from those places in that vicinity, we are now accessing it online, no? For example, na balik na po ta sa Itbulaga. If for example the income of Itbulaga, no? Itbulaga is 100 million. But if it has been franchised, no? Not limited to the Philippines, maabot siya sa Malaysia and Thailand, no? Those possibilities, the unlimited possibilities of the income, no? Not only onto our local context and consumption, no? That is transnational and business social industry from one side to the other side as a transnational option of the business, ba? So moving forward, we have also the evolution of media globalization. So number one, we have the oral communication, no? So which is speech has been with us for at least 200,000 years, no? When speech developed into language, Homo sapiens have developed a medium that would set them apart from the other species and allow them to cover and conquer the world because our oral communication has been developed, no? Apart from those oral communication, no, we are also into the dialect, which means that though it is part also of the oral communication, we have Hindu, no, Nipongo, Filipino, no? Sa Filipino pa we have different Pampangueño, Pangasinense, no, 'di ba? Waray, no? Cebuano, Bisaya, no? That is a different form of evolution of oral communication, no? So that set us apart from the other species, no, that is present here and around the globe, no. Number two of evolution of media and globalization is script, no, as the very first writings, no, script allowed humans to communicate, no, and share knowledge and ideas over much larger spaces and across much longer, no. For example, we are now, if you can remember back then, no, books, handwritten books are really a treasure because if you have one idea, no, ba? If you are to write something on the books, no, and it is being brought to another place, no, that is a um new level of accompanying your ideas to others, no. So makitaan man nato before nga katong philosophers, no, the wise men, ba? They are the ones who are into writing to the books, no? And these ideas are being adapted because some of the humans present before are reading what they are writing, no? So writing has its own evolution and developed from cave paintings, no? Petroglyphs, no? Hieroglyphs, no? So cave paintings, no? Before katong dili pa ang script, ang katong writing ba. Anything that is being written with purpose is called script, no? So anything that is being painted or illustrated on purpose to the cave are those cave paintings, and those cave paintings mean something, no? So katong mga archaeologists, no, they are the ones who are interpreting the cave paintings, no? petroglyphs and hieroglyphs. So petroglyphs are those written on anything that is on surface. Hieroglyphs instead are those written on the buildings or the kanang wallings or onto the solid material that are infrastructurally constructed, di ba? So petroglyphs are those written in unsa man na katong naa kay gold bar and you put something there kanang mga katong mga naka-engrave, that is petroglyphs. When you say hieroglyphs, those are the ones that are engraved or written on the infrastructure itself. Dili na siya ang naa sa gold bars katong naa sa lugar building or a stone nga katong dako nga structure, no? That the ones who are engraved sa ilaha sa structure is the ones are called hieroglyphs, no? So the early writing system began to appear after the 3000 BC, no, with symbols carved into clay tablets to keep account of trade, no? These cuneiform marks later developed into symbols that represented the syllables of languages, no, eventually led to the creation of alphabets, no, the script letters that represent the smallest sounds of a language. The great civilization of Egypt, Greece, to Rome and China were made possible through scripts. So, unsa man ni sila? So, sa Egypt and Greece, commonly naatay mga petroglyphs and hieroglyphs that are written on the gold bars, katong statues, or onto the infrastructure itself. Kaning sa Rome and China, we have now, it is now being developed to katong early forms of paper, di ba? Katong medyo bagaon pa nga, not so clean looking a piece of paper or something cloth or a piece of a skin of an animal, no? Sa China, pareha gyapon na siya, no? So the early history of China and Rome were written, that is being recorded on those katong mga paper-like materials, no? And is made possible through scripts, no? So nganong na-mention man si Rome and China? Because these two are the ones who are the 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 main character for civilization before, no? Si Rome is famous for because of the religion, no? China were the ones who are the oldest civilization that were able to record, no, their history. So number 3 for the evolution of media and globalization is printing press, no? All histories of media and globalization acknowledge the consequential role of printing press. With the advent of printing press, first made with the movable wooden blocks in China, and then written with the movable metal type of and machinery, no, by Johannes Gutenberg in Germany. The reading material suddenly was cheaply made and easily circulated, no. Literacy followed, as literacy of common people was to revolutionize every aspects of life because, di ba, kung when there is knowledge there is power. So dadto na nagsugod ang unsa na education, di ba? Kung na-invento na-evolve na ang way of recording or writing, mas paspas na, not like before that you are able to produce a single book at a time. Now, because of the evolution of printing press, we are now able to produce multiple copies, and these copies are being distributed all over the globe. So literacy followed also, no? Where literacy have common with common people was to revolutionize, no, every aspect of life. You are able to apply this onto religion, your faith, the common knowledge of philosophy, technology, the transfer of technology, knowledge, and other skills, no? to flow the economic and cultural and political ideas around the world, connected and changed people and cultures in every way, no? And never before possible, because we are now able to read the best practices that is being recorded way back before, no? Sa kaning sa diri lugar sa Philippines. If you can remember back on the days 70s, no? 70s, lagi on the 1700s, di ba? If we are to make a ship, di ba? Make a ship, the Filipinos were not educated at that time, but because of somehow Filipinos read a book from certain civilization, certain country, no? We are now learning to the best practices, and we are to mimic, we are to follow, no? We are to test also. If we can see it, that is, uh, we can use it, we can be able to get something from it, diba? We are to adapt, no? So moving forward, number 4 is electronic media, no? Electronic media refer to any equipment or tool used in communication that require electromagnetic energy or electricity. Examples are telegraph, telephone, radio, film, and television. Anong telegraph man? Before, telegraph katupang ay we are able to send dotted messages, no, across to a certain distance, no. Telephone, we are able to katong yung uh the analog phone before, no, analog telephone before, we're able to transmit our voices to an analog data, no. Next would be radio. Next, film and television, no? So the vast reach of this electronic media continues to open up to new avenues of economic, political, and process of globalization, because yung telegraph, telephone, radio, film, and television, it is being used to enhance the economic activity. We are able to, unsa man, or example lugar karon, naminaw lugar ko sa kwan, no? Back then, 'di ba? If you can remember, pangutana inyong mga mamagpapa, nganong mugamit man sila casino alcohol, 'di ba? Ano man kay iya man ang nadunggan sa radyo, no, during the nana times of the afternoon, 'di ba? Mura man nakadungog pang ka nga naaday casino alcohol de. When you go to the pharmacy or to the grocery, you will find those whatever you heard on the radio or in the film, no? If way back before, 'di ba, katong Barot Saya, mga sayal, mga nana. If you can see it in the film, then you are able to also, "Oy, tiyada lagi na kang Sharon Cuneta di. Ang imo pong mama nagpalit pod og sayal nga pareha kang Sharon Cuneta," ba? Kita niya kang Gabi Concepcion, nakita siya tiyada kay nga shoes, no? Aha man na unsa may brand ana, kay mo palit pod ko ana, no? Same as the television, dili ra gid na siya sa mga soap operas. Pero in the television, katong advertisements, di ba? The advertisements show you different products, and different products affect your decision making on buying, no? Nakitaan man nimo gaperlas siya, kita nimo nga gapand siya, nakita nimo nga ganido siya kaysa Bear Brand, namo pud to ang imuhang paliton, di ba? So much for the electronic media. Number 5 would be the digital media, no? Digital media are most often electronic media that rely on the digital codes, no? The long hidden combination of zeros and ones that represent the information, no? Phones and televisions can now be considered digital. No? The computer is usually representation of a digital media. Access to information around the globe allows people to adapt new practices of music, sports, education, religion, fashion, cuisine, arts, and other realms of culture because of digital media. No? If you can remember, if you can observe, the digital media has now been an issue of how good or how bad you can use the digital media. For example, one is present at this time would be the rampant websites of pornography, no, that is available, readily available by everyone to the internet. Pornhub, 'di ba? Atong ubos-ubusan kamay kanang mga Viva Max, no? Okay ra sa mga adults, 'di ba? But how about the little ones, 'di ba? So the pornography is very present, no? Okay ra siguro patanaw nimo og with adult supervision sa Viva Max. But how about those Pornhub, YouPorn, mga inana, 'di ba? So that is the negative of digital media, 'di ba? When you can say also in education, because of digital media, we can now offer, no, and enjoy the distance learning, di ba? Pwede na magmasteral ka, diri ra ka sa ka sa Mindanao pero imong school na adto sa Luzon o UPOU ingon ni Sir Shelo, di ba? In fashion also, di ba? Because of digital media, no, the ones who are using the kanang Korean style naa sa katong Queen of Tears karon, di ba? Imo din nag-imimic diri. Mako makapalit ana nga kuan outfit o OOTD, di ba? Ana ra gid na siya. And your arts, no? And other realms of culture. So that that is for those evolution of media, culture, and globalization. No? So these several forms of media such as the press and later radio, television has been a very important institution for the formation of national communities, global media support, and creation of new communities. No, the internet, for example, not only facilitates communication across the globe, but also supports the formation of new social communities in which member can interact with each other, no, through the satellite TV, the radio allows immigrants to be close contact with the homeland language culture, while they gradually adapt the new culture environment. For instance, the Filipino channel by ABS-CBN is being aired abroad broadcast to local teleseries, news and shows. No, the said channel provides window to the home country on updates and events. So not only those, no, karon makakita naman tama, we are now informed because na may mga arirang channel, di ba? If you can kuan, if you can uh, observe in the cable networks, no? In different cable networks, different cable channels, di ba? You can now be able to observe and see the culture that is being shown by different countries, ba? You are able to enjoy a channel that is more on uh, animals, di ba? Katong documentaries, sports. We have channels that are dedicated to sports, no, di ba? Katong sports TV, no, di ba? Daghan. Katong mga channels that offer music lang, katong daan sa una mix, di ba? I don't know unsay bago karon, ba? So moving forward, the culture globalization process, no? So thematic areas, no, involve cultural globalization at both the general culture and societal level, no? Next would be the institutional level, and next would be the social group level and the individual level, no? The experience of modernity in a worldwide culture, no? Which is the chief element of the analysis of experience of modernity as both general form of mentality and a mode of artistic production. It is loosening the time and space of the bonds, locality, and tradition. No? In the globalized reality, the high modernity and the association of cultural and social activity, no, from the local constraints has a drastic consequence. No, almost all of those institutions during the 19th and 20th century have confirmed a modern structuring of cultural and societal experience. No, They have either been significantly influenced by the globalization or have been challenged by other transnational institutions. For example, if you can now observe the way uh marketing marketing influence, no, advertisements, no, back then we are onto the literal sense of marketing na you show your products, no, you show your products as to the how good the product could be used. uh, but now the marketing strategy has been developed to a more complex one, because you can either you can either have your products being sold and advertised in the internet, television, other platforms, as well as you can also integrate a political soundness, no, and influence to the products. For example, di ba? Namin kay effective and very good product for whitening, no? But if you let someone, Lucy Torres Gomez, you let Lucy Torres Gomez or Ivana Alawi, if you are using Ivana Alawi to that product, bahalag dili kay siya maayo, di ba? It can also perform much kanang marketing and the effectivity of those products, because dili naman siya mag-care kung effective ba gyud ang product basta gigamit ni Ivana Alawi, di ba? Nakakita ka karon kang Miss Javier. Nakakita ka karon kang Miss Javier. Ang permi gagamiton ni Miss Javier nga effective dili gakaguba nga laptop sa iyang klase, Huawei. So ikaw karon as a student, you will be influenced. Dili na ko magpalit og Acer. Huawei na ang ako ang gamiton, di ba? Makita nimo si Miss Bao sa faculty. Gagamit na day si Miss Bao og projector. Oh. Unsa may kuan brand sa projector? Gusto ko mag-movie marathon sa balay. Gamiton ka ako tong brand nga gipalit ni Miss Bao, di ba? So na-influence ang imuhang choice of branding because of kinsa ang nagdala sa kinsay nag-market, di ba? Di ba? So that is a very relatable and observable type of marketing sa globalization process, di ba? The experience of the advancement among the accomplished and financially advantaged living in industrialized locals in the world is truly completely different from the ways of modernization forms, no? By the immigrants in similar districts of the world, or by individuals living in the third world, no? The media assumed a huge part of both homogeneization, separation, and division would be a focal component in the investigation of social globalization. So example for this would be the use of your cell phone, diba? Your cell phone is a representation of the modernization of globalization, because mas hip man ka kung ang imong brand sa cellphone iPhone, diba? Diba? You are proud to carry the brand of your cellphone, diba? It depends na din sa imuhang social strata, diba? Pero mas cool man gyud akong iPhone sila, diba? Di lang ipatingog kay basig China di ay. Ana lagi na siya. So much for that socialization and the development of cultural character, no? What is this, no? The media has continuously transformed a free organization of socialization and the improvement of social character with a quick extending universal correspondence stream bring media portrayals, no, of remote societies into the neighborhood social situation, the premises of social utilization that have changed the social reflexivity, expanded the level of the person. No? Likewise, the global media cultures signify a cultural otherness, at times a threat to cultural tradition and autonomy. Nganong threat man to cultural tradition? Because we are now seeing nga we are now seeing um culture that is being practiced the western countries, no? Dili da ay nakita nimo sa western culture movies and films that dili sila ga support sa kanang domestic violence, no? Before naa kay silingan nga gakulotahon ng asawa, okay ra pasagdi sila. But because of the develop na ang ato ang cultural sensitivity because of films and shows that coming from the western countries, moingon na pud din ta karon. Best practice man nga dili day nimo pwede nga pasagdan ang domestic violence, no? Unsa may buhaton di ay. So refer na din ta didto sa mga human rights, the rights of women, di ba? So that is the part of socialization and the development of cultural character. So mediated communities and activities, media and correspondence advances as the rules have encouraged, no, the arrangement of aggregate groups, no. They have likewise made conceivable informative and social activity crosswise over time and space, no, accompanying a globalization that the development of groups are solely settled by methods for media societies, no? For example, music fan clubs, no, internet talk bunches, and so forth. So has been observed, no, the expanded medialization of social groups affect how communication happens in such groups, no. Specifically, cooperation goes up against a more dynamic and representative character when contrasted and those occurring in the social circumstances with non-inverted relational experiences, no? The thorough social activity changes the character also, no? Through the media, correspondence, innovation, social move progressively to put on a worldwide scale of political activity brought and throughout the global news, no? Media's financial move and is made up through different intuitive trade administration. For examples, no, the war that is happening now in Russia and Ukraine, no, dili ra man sa vague nga war. That is also a mere political and a worldwide scale because if you let that happen ang war against between the two countries, no, the prices of the crude oil, no, di ba, ang gasolina muanam gyapon og kataas, di ba? So the pressure that is being put now to Russia and Ukraine to settle their issues so that the world scale would not be affected, no? Example for that also is the abuse for animals, no? Recently, there has been a video footage that is being shown in the internet na naay isa ka iro, no? Kay protect lang niya ang iyahang master kung kinsay tag-iya niya, di ba? So dakpon unta tong individual but the dog is protecting the owner, no? Kay ga-protect man siya, so what the police did was they shot the dog, no? So the occurrence, the event gave rise to unsa man, the rights of animals being treated cruelly. So next would be democracy and political culture, no? An imperative result of globalization is the development of multicultural social orders, no, in which individuals in various social foundations, ethnic, religion, and so on must coincide, no, in spite of the fact that we have individual social gatherings may keep up with the dialect culture custom and the diverse gatherings in a multicultural society are obliged to manage their share, no, of collective issues, typical political open circle, no. This has now and again a bothered inconsistency between the general or the Western organization of majority rules, no, system, no. social inequalities obligation from the one perspective to the societal particular impression of individuals entitlement to take an interest to the methodology of government and the other. For example, ani ha, malibog kay mo atong akong giingon no kay daghan kay sa technical words. What I'm trying to say is kaning democracy and political culture, democracy the practice of being free basta dili lang ka makasakit sa others, no? And political culture, unsa man political culture, the way that people may practice how they are being protected by the government. For example, no, here in the Philippines, we are not so globalized onto the democracy and political culture. For example, di ba, diri, democracy, it is a right to be free, no? Basta dili lang ta makasakit sa others, no? But politically, we are not being protected. Unsa may pasabot sa dili ka na protected, sir? We are to preserve and protect life. Sakto man na. Political culture also is daw lugar dili gi-rape ka, naburos ka. 'Di ba? Ang katong pagka-buros nimo during the rape, wala na day kay right to um abort the child because the child was being conceived onto the grounds of rape. So sa US na, you have the democracy and political culture, no, wherein the democracy makes you protect life, no, but the political culture in the US also protects you from harm, di ba? Which is different here in the Philippines because dili ka pwede man mo patay. Bisang pag rape ka, naburos ka based on rape, dili ka pwede mo patay. Ngano man, ang atong political culture limits us from doing abortion. Di ba? Depende man siguro na, di ba? But in the US, option na nimo to unsa man to kanang terminate the pregnancy because of rape or other reasons pa nimo, no? Or you are not prepared to have a child, no? So mo kuan ka dito mo tabo ka sa abortion, di ba? So mag-differ na gyud ta na kay we have different views man po, di ba? Sa ako sa Philippine setup sakto man. Pero kung ako pod nanapod ko sa culture sa US, sakto pod biya, di ba? If you are not ready to have a child, you are financially not sound, and you are criminally abducted, no? To be pregnant na unsaon na lang. Because of the expanding socio-economic, socio-geographic interconnectedness, globalization involves another stratification of political and social circles of the foundation of neighborhood, provincial, and transnational open circles nearby the national open circle. No? There are few approaches to react to test the self-governance of the national open circle. No? One is to extend the standards of the national open circle to the world level. No? Along these lines, making a world political and social circles in light of the national model. No? Another to take separation of political and social circles as the purpose to take off the knowledge that political and social thought happen in a more overwhelming, multi-layered agreement to open circles, no? With no single sphere, no, either all-inclusive scope or outright matches, no, quality. So you can view you can revisit this link, no? Because this online recorded class is being uploaded to YouTube. No? Download first the PDF for your copy of the topic and might as well also view this video recorded session. So that is all for this topic, no? World of ideas. no? Global media cultures. No? So we will have an online topic again next time. So see you around. No, always keep hydrated. So we will see each other again when we see. So thank you everyone. Goodbye and God bless.